Ito na nga mga mami, so ang ating simple snacks dinner. So I did 1 and 1 egg. So ito na, niluto ko ang pansit canton. Ayan, that's my favorite. So mayroon pa natitira po dito. So ayan na nga guys, ito lang ang ating dinner. And 1 piece of, ito may natitira pa ako dito, 2 piece of bread. Ayan guys. To my channel. In this video is kakain lang po tayo ng worth 3 real na pagkain. Ang ating niluto, 1 piece of pancit cantonese goreng and 1 piece of egg. Ayan guys, and also our bread. Ayan, kasi diet nga lola mo, hindi ako kumakain for the night time while I'm watching the vlogs of Sir Timmy Laudy. Tim Laudy. Ayan. So, dito lang po ako mag-isa. Tapos na ang work and I'm here in my sala. Ayan. Break time muna po ako kasi in my rooms nag-e-edit po ako ng ating mga videos. Ayan. At nag-check po ako dito sa aking soup na ipopromote very soon. So, time's up at break time lang muna at kain mo muna po tayo. Ayan guys. So, ayan, kakain muna po ako at tikman po natin tong ating what do you call this, ang ating ayan, kuha tayo ng stand fan. Ayan. So, kain po tayo guys. At ito lang. Alam nyo guys, very simple lang ang aking life in Singapore, no? Ito lang, mayroon lang ako nito at egg. I'm very satisfied na po in Singapore. Yan ang buhay ng super tipid budget meal kasi sobrang tipid ko. Kasi nagsishare po ako dati ng tuition fees ng aking kapatid para lang makatapos po siya. So, talagang super tipid po ang iyong lola. Even here, may pinag-iipunan po tayo at na mga dapat na responsibilities. So, kailangan po natin magtipid. Ayan. So, hurry up guys. Kain po. Let's see. I love noodles. Dapat spaghetti. Namimiss ko na po magluto ng spaghetti. So, kailangan na natin ito iluto. Ito, pakuluan lang to guys. Ito, naluto ko na to before 2020 yata, 2021. Finride ko yung pancit canton. So, ayan po. Kain po. The best guys. Sobrang the best. At partneran po natin ng tinapay. Ayan guys. So tomorrow, this is my day na tomorrow, magkwentuhan lang muna po tayo. Kahit saglit lang po at habang kumakain. Ayan, thank you. Thank you so much to all my subscriber and viewers. So mag-shoutout lang ako to all my subscriber. No? Thank you so much for your support. Ang dami ng mga sumusuporta at nag-i-invite sa akin. So, talagang dito natin makikita ang pagmamahal ng ating mga OFW, overseas foreign workers of different countries. So, they really like me and they love me so much, no, to support me. So, thank you so much to all my friends, to all my good brothers and sisters here in JCC. Kain po. Ayan guys, so satisfied na po ako sa ganito. Pag hindi ako nagluluto, walang kakain kasi lahat ng niluluto ko po is sinishare ko sa mga, I share to the staff, to the employee, kasi ito is the accommodation. So, if I cook, I share to Tatay Robert, I share to the other people, pag nagkukook po ako sa aking kitchen. Ayan, at nakikikain lang po ako, share lang din po ako. So, even pag may budget ako, I buy my own budget or they give me to buy the food, no, and I will cook and sharing each other, no. So ganun pa ang aking content. That's why the journey of OFW and daily lifestyle. So I searching to all OFW, not only kabayan, all OFW, all overseas foreign workers. I searching the real life, the journey of life, all of them. So this is my content. At sa especially to all the solo parents, no, to support them, moral and spiritual, to support them, guys. So yun na naisip ko kasi wala naman po akong magawa dito sa loob ng bahay. Ayoko naman yung kain tulog lang, ayoko naman mag-bed rest lang. Gusto ko may pinagkakakitaan pa rin. That's why I decide as a YouTuber or vloggers, as a digital marketing. Ayan. So, yan po ang aking pinasok sa industry ngayon dito sa pagbablog, sa being a content creator and being on simple my vlog as a vlogger, guys. So, ayan. So, number 1, by my first since January, nanghihiram ako ng phone until July, no? Second week of July. Kasi 2-3 days ago ko lang nabili tong mobile ko. So, if you can say, I make the video now, kahit nawala si Robert kasi sa kanya lang ako nanghiram ng company mobile. So, ayun, sinamantala ko kung I'm alone na mag-vlog po. Ayun. Ang harap, guys. Sobrang sarap. Ayan, yung super tipid budget meal. Masarap pala to. Na-miss ko. Sabi ko, ano ba yung snacks ko? Ewan, naubusan na po ako ng coffee. Gatas lang nandito. Kakatake ko lang ng gatas. Sabi ko, magugutom ako. Mayroon akong stocks ng noodles. Hindi po talaga nagpapakawala ng noodles, guys. At itong egg. Ayan, wala na nga akong egg. Nag-iisa na lang. So, yun na nga, guys. This coming August, siguro ang ano ko, kasi diet na rin. Pinagda-diet na ako ng doktor ko. Hindi natin maiwasan ng masarap na pagkain is magtitipid tayo more on vegetables, veggies, and salads lang po tayo. No rice. Yan ang aking challenge. Si Sir, siya nang bahala mag-ano ng rice niya. Pag pupunta kasi siya dito nakikikain or nangihingi. May mga rice pa ako dyan na mga bigay-bigay. So, siya na lang ang kakain ng rice. Ako na lang mag-isa. Ayan. Ang kakain ng vegetables. So, I prepare by my own na ang budget po natin is we can start from 3 real up to 10 real only for the vegetables only. Para lang sa akin. So, iti-challenge po natin sarili natin kung magkano mag-iipon natin. Super tipid budget meal, super tight budget meal, meaning you can cook a small amount and then you can save your money for your future. This is my contents, guys, because somebody didn't understand about my content. What is your content? Why you cooking every day? You can sell it. They asking me about my content about the super tipid budget meal. They thinking is I'm selling the food. No, I'm not selling the food. Only I'm showing my daily life, how to cooking, how every what do you call this, daily life cooking for myself and for my tatay, my brother. So that's why kaysa magkain kami, kumain kami sa labas, mas makakatipid kung dito na. But if I'm alone before, if I'm alone last for 2024-25, always I'm eating in the outside. That's why I cannot save my money. Kahit nagtatrabaho ko, even I have a double job like that, so I cannot save my money because I'm eating in the outside. So too much very big cheaper, no, very big savings if you can cook here inside in the rooms. So kagaya niyan, sabi ko sa inyo, why I'm to become a chubby than before, no? Ang dami nagtatanong na very big difference. I'm so stressed, I'm so mataba or chubby. Yes, I accept that kasi talaga nagpa-healthy ako because of my health medication. So gusto ko to be healthy myself. Ayoko pumayat kasi alam ko at kilala ko sarili ko, guys, na pag pumayat ako talagang malulus ako. baka hindi ako umabot ng 50 years old. Yung ganyan. Kasi mabilis akong pumayat din po. Talaga nagpataba po ako kasi nagme-medication lang po ako, therapy. So, ayun na nangyari. At talagang tataba ka kasi yung sakit mo sa lumbar dito sobrang sakit, as in pag therapy ka kasi hindi magandang hindi ka kakain kasi sa anemia hindi ka makakatulog. So kung hindi ka makakatulog, bawiin mo sa pagkain, ganon. Kaya kayo mga guys, mga super tipid mommies, mga solo parents, please take care your health and don't abuse your health, no, na to work hard before kasi almost 3 ang trabaho ko. Talaga ang dami kong racket, dalawa, tatlo ang trabaho ko in Singapore. Even I travel around. So I get the part-time, 3 works, 2 works, day and night, 24/7. Talagang ganun ang ginagawa ko sa sarili ko to achieve my goal, to help my family, my siblings, and my kids before. So, I did not love myself. But for now, I love myself because I'm alone at malalaki na rin ang aking mga anak. So, it's time to love yourself. It's time to achieve your goal, no, na makamit natin. So, hanggang dito na lamang, guys. So, this is a very simple motivations to all my solo parents. Love yourself and love your health, guys, for your family, for your kids. So, ayan, sa lahat ng mga solo father, solo mother, no, I have one friend of solo father, but before that, to all motivation of solo parents, to all separated, I make the motivation separately of this one. So, i-alternate lang po natin, guys, no, we can alternate cooking at least 2 times a week, and then 2 times a week for motivation, and then 2 times a week na ipapasyal ko po kayo. So that's why my content is the journey of OFW of daily lifestyle of Calzote family. So please comment lang po kayo down below, and thank you to all my viewers and subscribers for loving me to support my journey, guys, no? So ayan. So, honestly, ay hahabol ko lang, guys, is honestly, I forgot talaga since COVID 2021, I forgot to all my credits, to all my friends. I'm very sorry for that, but I'm willing to pay all my credits naman, at medyo ngayon lang ako nakaka-move forward na nag-i-start pa lang because I don't have a works in how many years, since 2023 up to 2025. Ayan. So, walang-wala po talaga. I don't have a work because I take the bed rest, guys. So, I apologize if I forgot to pay all my credits with you guys, but I'm willing to pay for that. But sometimes give me a patience, and appreciated your support and your being open-minded and being understand my situation. Thank you to all my friends, to all my viewers and my loving friends here in Doha. Okay, so 2 months struggle since COVID, guys. Really, until now, nagsasuffering pa rin ako sa mga na-loss na mga businesses. So, but anyway, life is it's a normal that one in our life. So, don't give up. Work, and fight in our life. Laban lang, mga solo parents, and it's not all the solo parents, to all OFW, laban lang, work, and fight. That's why, please watch every my video of super tipid budget meal, how you save your budget, how to cook, the improvement, no, i-improve po natin, matuto tayong magtipid. Okay, guys, so thank you for watching, and please comment down below and build the notification bell, like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Ayan, this weekend sa Heidi Calzote. Of course, fight, work, of course, no bashing. Ayan, guys. I love you, Madam Small. I love you. And God bless to all of you guys. God bless us po. Love you. Bye-bye.